Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Tricks World. I'm Atish Ranjan, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can change your server's icon on Discord. So let's check how we can do that. So go to discord.com, okay, and click here to log in. Okay, so this is my Discord, and I have created a test server for testing purpose. So I'm going to show you there how we can update its profile picture of the server. Okay, it's called server icon. Okay, so click here. Okay, so this is your server. So here you see this one, just click here. Okay, and click on server settings, and here click on change icon and select the image that you want to set there. So click here, this one, and click on open and adjust it a bit as you like. So I'm doing this one, this adjustment, and click apply. Okay, and click on save changes. Okay, so it's saved. Now you go to home page of your Discord again and see if the server icon has changed or not. Okay, so you can see that the test server, the icon is changed, right? So this is how you can change the server icon. Okay, hope you like this video.